Donald Trump signed the corona relief and spending package into law. Sudan has decided to deploy troops in Southern Darfur state after recent killing of 15 people in tribal violence. In China, 7 people have been killed while 7 others injured in a knife stabbing attack near a restaurant in Kaiyuan city. In Afghanistan, 10 Taliban were killed and 6 others injured in a clash with government forces in Helmand province today on Monday. PM Pakistan Imran Khan says all pillars of the state are working for development of the country within their respective domains. Indonesia bans international visitors for 2 weeks over new virus strain. US surpasses 19 million COVID-19 cases, says by Johns Hopkins University. Pakistan concerned by Afghan doubts over its commitment to peace.